How to see who blocked you on Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you might know, Instagram does not provide a feature or the option for you to see all of the people who blocked you in one place. However, if you want to know who blocked you on Instagram, there are a few indications that I will show you right now. So go ahead and open up Instagram. For example, what you can do is you can search for that person's name, and what you will see is that the account does not appear. Also, you can head over to that person's chat, and on the chat you will see at the top it says it doesn't say that person's name, it says Instagram users. As you can see in the top left corner where you will see the profile picture and username, it says Instagram user. And even if you click and visit that profile, you will see nothing, like it will be a blank page. However, if you visited or search the account from another account other than this one, it will appear normally just like any other account. This means that this person has blocked you on Instagram, and unfortunately, as I said, there's no way for you like to see. For example, Instagram gives you the feature to see all of the people you blocked, but it does not give you the option to see a list of all of the people who blocked you, so you have to do it manually. And hopefully in the future, maybe it will provide such thing. So that was it for this video. That's how you can find out who blocked you on Instagram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.